Alright guys, so essentially what I'm doing is I think I got a vacuum leak, and I got into an accident recently. It flew off my bumper and there's a dent over there, so I'm gonna take off my bumper. For now we're just gonna remove the core support, bring it out a little bit, and then try to see if this being loose has anything to do with the vacuum leak. Hopefully that the bolts down here are just loose and I can just tighten the back up, but you can see the play in that. So let's go to town. So let's start with this. I'll just leave it there. We need a and before I go losing bolts and go insane, this can come sit over here because it's probably not going to go on for a very long time. Maybe wash that up with some purple power. Got a whole bunch from Walmart for like 15 bucks. Not a bad deal if you're regularly cleaning stuff. It's a pretty good deal. So let's see. I can see that arm is kind of bent. It's not an 11, it's definitely a 10, but I only got this 1/4" 10, so this will have to do. But so once that's out, this should, and I repeat, should be able to move. So you lift it up and you pull it out. Just like that. Moving forward. So then that would go into there like that. See that? Perfect. And then this one would go into here. I should get some smaller line for that. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, there's a bolt in there that I need to tighten. So now that those are all torqued down, I feel a little bit better. Not sure if any of these are the same, but they all look kind of similar. I like to just check these ones because they're like right here, just to make sure they're not loose. And if they are, I'm gonna give them a quick tighten. So now if you move it, it has no play. So I'm also getting an intake air temp sensor code, which should be coming out of there, but I'm not really gonna concern myself with it. Let's clean up some of that. I was having some shifter problems the other day. I wasn't sure what it was. I think I got what I needed to fixed, so let's not forget to put this back in, or I'm gonna have a coolant light and I'm gonna piss myself. So, got everything I need to get done, which is pretty dope, because I was throwing it said I had a vacuum leak, so hopefully that bolt being back in there would stop the vibrating of the intake manifold. So I'm just gonna put this whole thing back together. Probably not the bumper's gonna stay off. And yeah, that's about it for right now. And the lip did not care. Just busted, and it didn't give any shits. Oh, nice. So my quick release just busted too, so I'm definitely not putting this bumper back on. Cool to know. Dope.